Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can create a typewriter text effect just like this one in After Effects. Without further ado, let's get on with it. Once you have opened up your After Effects, here go to the composition and click on new composition. Here select whatever the name you want. Here click on OK. And now let's select the text tool. You can also press Ctrl T. Here write whatever the text you want. To change the font, select all of the font. Here in the character panel, I'll choose this one. Let's go to the window. Here click on Align. Select your text to be in the middle. Select the selection tool. Here right at this corner, select this and hold the Shift key to resize it. This one's alright. Now let's move on to the animation to make this as a typewriter text effect. For that, on this panel, just click on this arrow key. Here click on the animate and then click on character offset. Now under the animate one, select this ring selector, add a keyframe to the 0 value and add a keyframe right here and increase the value all the way to the 100. And now click on advance, go to the first keyframe. Here select the smoothness to 0. On the animate panel 1, here click on add, click on property and click on opacity. Scroll down and make the opacity at this point to 0. Now after applying all of these settings, let's go back and play the video. And there you have it. You can also add the sound effect or the typewriter text effect. You can download it from any stock websites. I'll also leave the link in the description as well so you can use them. And there you have it, an easy way to create a typewriter text effect in After Effects. If you want this typewriter text effect that you made in After Effects exported to the Premiere Pro, you can do that as well. For that, you can click on this feed here as well. Also, if you have any question regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.